part: bar plot, pie chart, line chart, scatter plot, box plot, area chart. Pivot tables learn skewness, kurtosis, formula, mean, median, mode. Okay, simply directly go with our Excel sheet. Okay, the Excel sheet I am also providing in your group. Okay, if you required. First, you can see this is a pivot table chart. The data. Okay, data was showing employee name, item, quantity, rate, and amount. Okay, the item will be color TV, fridge, mobile, laptop, monitor, tables, scanner, bed, color TV, computer. Okay, I think some this data for we call e-commerce data set. Okay, like electronic data set. Okay, so we need to using pivot table. Okay, you have to click between in table anywhere cursor. Okay, go to insert. Now you can see there is first pivot table. Okay, click on to pivot table. Pivot table will be automatically select your chart. Okay, there is first option. First is table range. Okay, automatically select, and you can change and give a name like sales data. I'm given name. First is new worksheet, and second is existing worksheet. Okay, if you want to existing worksheet, you can click anywhere. Okay, then data will be come. Okay, I want a new worksheet. Okay, click on to okay. Once again, click pivot table, new worksheet, and click on to okay. Now you can see my table will be come in new worksheet. Okay, you can give a name, change a name, sales data. Okay, same as it is, then you have already visualized in Power BI. Okay, there is item, filters, column, rows, and values. Okay, first rows I am click on to items. Okay, item will be go in filters. Okay, this is a item on. Click on to next employee name. There is employee name in rows, and there is some of quantity come in values. Okay, rate also come in values. Amount also go over here. Okay, now you can see my table will be ready. Okay, there is row label, sum of quantity, sum of rate, sum of amount. Okay, like click on to okay. There is all bad color TV, computer, fridge, laptop, mobile, scanner. Okay, everything. Now simply I need a chart. Okay, click on to click on to pivot table analysis, and there is pivot chart. Click on to pivot chart. There is chart coming. Different chart you can use: column chart, line chart, pie chart. Okay, whichever required. I'm click on to column chart, and you can see column chart is come. Okay, my column chart will become, and I will execute. Like I want to check color TV. Okay, how many color TV will be sale. Okay, now you can see my data set and chart will be automatically adjust. Okay, there is first row levels and some of quantity. Now name you can see Anime Singh and Tanvir Kumar. Okay, there is sale sum of quantity 28 and 21, total grand total is 49. Now you can see in my data set. Okay, click on to laptops. Okay, and now you can see this is a Irsad Singh and Ramesh Kumar will be come. Now I'm click on to multiple. Okay, like I want to check laptop and mobile. Okay, there is select multiple items, you have to click laptop and mobile and click on to okay. Now you can see Ashok, Irsad, Indriya, Pravesh and Ramesh Kumar. This is a selling price. The sale will be, I think this is a monthly data set. Like Ashok Kumar sale 10, Irsad Singh 2022, Indra Kumar 15, 28 and 27. Okay, this is a my pivot table, and go back to all, unselect, click on to all and okay. Now my all name and data set will be come. Okay, this is a pivot table. Now next, this is a measure of shape. Okay, skewness and kurtosis, there is differences. Skewness is measure of symmetry, or more precisely the look of symmetry and distribution of data set is asymmetric if it is looks the same to get left and right to the center. Okay, there is some random data set. You can see. Okay, now I'm using formula SKEW. SKEW is skewness formula. Okay, now select my all data and press enter. Now this is my answer. Second is kurtosis. Kurtosis is formula KURT. Okay, select once again data and press enter. Is average. Okay, press average and select data. I think all of, after 1 minute you have applied, I think you have search on it Google, and after that you send me over here. Now next, mean will be formula is average. Okay, you can see. And next is median. Okay, median have own formula MEDIAN, median, and select my data set and press enter. Next is mode. Okay, there is formula mode. There is two formulas. First is mode and second is mode dot sngl. Okay, it's a same function use. Okay, in mode you can see there is not any mode, that's why it's given answer not available. Okay, and I am also check some random data. Okay, this is a random data. So I'm once again using mode function over here, mode e mode. Select my this data set and press enter. Now you can see it will be mode in my in this data set. Okay, now move on to charts. Okay, we learn some of charts: histogram, frequency table, bar plot, line chart, scatter plot and box plot. Okay, this is a my random data. Okay, like if you want to some random data. Okay, within a second there is function rand between. Okay, like I want to data between 10 to 90. Okay, press enter. 67 will become. Okay, and control D. This is a my rand between data, like I am typing some 10 and 20 data randomly, it's take time. Okay, that's why we are using rand between function to collect data. Okay, and you can see after and between I am pressing like typing any number. Okay, my data number will be changed. You can see. Okay, so I want to fix it. Okay, select my old data, click on to Control C. Okay, after Control C there is paste option. Click on to paste 1 2 3. Okay, after 1 2 3 you can see I am pressing any data and any number. My number will be not change. Okay, this is a frequency table. Okay, this is a class frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. Now there is function max and minimum. Okay, max function we are using on in this data set. This is a 89, and minimum we are using in this data set 85. Okay, we approximately use 19 and 10. Okay, now we are using some charts. Okay, different charts. My first chart is class 2 frequency. Select this, go to insert, click on to insert. First is recommended chart. Okay, click on to first recommended chart and press enter and okay. Now you can see my chart will become, change a name, histogram, we call a histogram. Okay, this one is histogram. Click on to histogram, there is plus option. Okay, there is data labels on, data tables on, error bar or legend. Okay, like click on to data labels, you can see 3 1 1 2 1 1 per. Okay, change, you can see frequency, the 3 will be over here 60 to 70. Okay, now verify, let 60 to 70 data level will be 3 on. Okay, now move on to archive task. Select this and this class and relative come frequency. Go to insert. Okay, first is recommended chart. Click on to all charts. First is line chart and press OK. We call less than Ozive chart. Click on to plus data label on. Okay, now move on to next. Control and select this chart. Go to insert. First is recommended chart. Click on to all chart and line chart and press OK. we call greater than Ozive chart. Click on to chart and data label will be on. Okay, this is a my table, and now you can see my chart will be ready. Histogram less than Ozive and greater than Ozive. Move on to next. This is a my data. This is a my data. Okay, and now last one is beans. Go to data. Click on to data over here. Now you can see this is a data analysis. Okay, if you are a not showing in your Excel, okay, then you are in older version. Please upgrade, guys. Click on to data analysis. Okay, after data analysis, the pop-up will become. Click on to histogram. Okay, press OK. Now you can see there is histogram. First is input range and second is bin range. Okay, click on to input range. Input range is this my data set. Okay, click on to bin range. Bins range will be on my this data set. Okay, labels I want. Okay, click on to last two one, chart output and cumulative percentage. Okay, and I want to output range. Okay, output range I am selecting over here. Okay, and press OK. Now you can see beans frequency and cumulative will become. Okay, chart also come. Scroll up and you can see histogram chart will be go directly up. Now my data analysis function will be used for beans. Move on to next, bar plot and pie chart. Okay, select my data set. This is a fruit price: apple, kiwi, orange and mango. Go to insert. First is a recommended chart. Okay, you can see bar chart will be automatically come. Okay, click on to plus sign. There is Excel titled data tables, data label. Second one is style and color. You can choose any style and color. Like I'm choosing orange. Okay, style you can also select according to your preference. Okay, price will become. Select once again. Go to insert. First is recommended chart. Okay, second is my pie chart. Pie chart will become. Click on to plus data labels on. Okay, click on to right side. There is center, inside, outside and best fit. Okay, you can see 60, 70, 18, 130. I want to click on to outside. And okay, now you can see the price: apple, kiwi, orange and mango will be go outside. Okay, once again select my table, go to insert, click on to recommended chart. Okay, now you can see we call horizontal this one. Click on to plus, data label on, and chart color using blue. Okay, bar plot and pie chart will be my ready. Okay, now you can see there is car color. Okay, black, white, silver, silver, white, black, maroon, white. Okay, black will be color is available 2, white color will be available 3, silver is 2, and this is a maroon. Maroon will be come. So simply click on my chart, click on to insert. First is recommended chart. Okay, in recommended chart we call this is funnel chart. Funnel chart will become, press enter, data labels will be on, color and style you can choose according to your choice. My funnel chart will be ready. Next is line chart. Okay, there is date and sales. Okay, line chart is very too easy because line chart you have to use like date, sales performance, total count, just like that. Click on to recommended chart. Okay, all chart, line chart, and press OK. After line chart you have click, see over here, this is a chart design. Okay, chart design different, and you can also select over here, click on to data label plus, and there is chart color. Okay, now you can see my sales data line chart will be ready. Now next is scatter plot. Select data, click on to insert, recommended chart, and press OK. Chart design will be so. In your test I think also there is, I think you have to use line chart and scatter plot. Click on to data label. Okay, scatter plot will be ready. Now next is last and final. Okay, we have to use box plot. Okay, now you can see there is quartile 1, quartile 2, 3, IQR upper limit and lower limit. Okay, this is the some function. Okay, we have to use quartile. There is function quartile, QUARTILE dot exe. Okay, first is he was asking to array. Array will be my data set. Okay, now press comma. Okay, first is first quartile 25th percentage, second is 15th, and third one is 50th. Okay, I want to click to one. Okay, first quartile, bracket close and press enter. Second is quartile 2, use function quartile dot exe, select my data set. Okay, comma, and I have to use second one, press enter. Third is same once again quartile, press comma and third and press enter. Okay. Now next is IQR. IQR is quartile 3 minus 2 quartile 1. Okay, click on to quartile 3 minus quartile 1 and press enter. Okay, next is upper limit. Upper limit function is q3 quartile 3. Okay, plus bracket close 1.5 into IQR. IQR is my ny93. Press enter. Just quartile 1 minus bracket close 1.5 into IQR interquartile range bracket close and answer will be come. Select all chart, click on to insert recommended chart. Okay, click on to all chart. Now you can see there is box and whisker. Press enter. Plus data label will be on. Okay, now all is finished. Okay, box plot, bar chart, different chart today we learn. Okay, and we learn some skewness and kurtosis formula, mean median mode. Okay, today we learn also pivot table. Okay,